Hi everyone. We're gonna talk about zoology. Um, zoology is the study of animals and how they live, how they grow, as well as they survive. Scientists who study animals are called zoologists. Alrighty, we're gonna learn about the types of animals. The type of animals include mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, amphibians. Mammals are like dogs, cats. Does anyone have any pets? Those are typically dogs, cats, and those are mammals. Birds have feathers, reptiles have scales, fish live in the water, and amphibians can live in both water and on land. Okay, so where do they live? So animals live in places called habitats. Some live in forests, other lives in the ocean, deserts, or icy places. Each animal is specially adapted to survive in its own home. For example, in a forest, you could see a deer. In the ocean, you could see a shark, which is pretty cool. A desert could be a camel, and the Arctic would be a polar bear. All right, so we're gonna talk about what makes birds special. So now let's talk about birds. Birds are special because they have feathers. They also have wings, beaks, and they lay eggs. Some birds fly while others don't. Okay, and then we're gonna look at bird flu. So what is bird flu? Bird flu is a disease that birds can get. It's caused by a small little virus and it can be spread by birds and birds. So when a bird goes to another bird, it could spread from there. It's rare for a human to get it, but we should still be careful around sick birds.
Zoology helps us understand how to protect animals. We can help by keeping the environment clean, protecting the animal homes and environments, and being kind to all living creatures and their homes. Here's a question about our presentation. Do all birds fly? The correct answer is no, not all birds fly. For example, penguins are flightless birds, and they typically live in the North or the South Pole. That's our presentation on zoology. Thanks for watching.